There are a lot of website owners incorporating AI now, and you can build a professional website in seconds. I want to show you what these AI tools can do. I'll show you a lot of demo sites I've made. Now, you don't need any coding knowledge to build a website like this. Amazing age we are living in. Now, without a further ado, let's get started. We will start with the easiest and then move upwards in their abilities towards the end. So the first tool I recommend is Mixo. Just enter a simple text prompt and it will generate a complete website for you in seconds. This is exactly how much time it takes to build a website. It handles all the complex tasks like generating a name, logo, and branding. Plus, it also does the copywriting for you. Now, for a lot of startups and businesses, this might be the perfect solution. For the people looking to develop a landing page or website for people to sign up for your email list, this might be the perfect tool for you. Now, all the things here are customizable, and you can fine-tune them to your needs. Now, another option in this lineup is Uncody. Now, I'm not really a fan of this tool. I think the website it generates are usable, but they still need a lot of refinement. My pick out of the two will be Mixo, as it works seamlessly and gets the job done. Now, moving on, we have Hocoos AI Website Builder. The links to all the tools will be in the description, as always. Now, this AI tool allows you to build more complex websites. The process is fairly simple. Just enter your email here and click on Create My Website. Now, select a website category by searching here and then select the services you want to offer. Now select the pages you need on your website and all the services you will offer. Enter a business address that you want to be displayed on your store, or choose online business only if you don't have a physical address. Give your business a fancy name and then select 3 aspects of your business. Specify how visitors can contact you, and you are done. Now over here you can customize your website style, color palette, and font.
Change the style, Arthur. No, try it with a different color.
Select the one you like and click on Create My Website. Now just sit back and relax while this amazing AI bot gets the job done for you. Here's the finished product. It looks marvelous in my opinion. You can customize anything you don't like on this web page by just clicking the object and then changing them to a new one. I can already see how many people can benefit from a website builder like this. The next step up is durable. The process is fairly simple, starting with what type of business you want and then selecting a name for your brand. That's it. Durable AI will generate a website for you in seconds. Now everything on this page here is customizable, and the best part is that you can click Regenerate on any section, and it will generate a completely new section for that part. They also offer responsive design, so you also have a ready-made website for mobile and tablet users as well. The competition between these AI tools might be very tight, but there are a couple of features that put durable on top. First is that you can add more pages to your website, meaning instead of just having one single page like Mixo, you can have multiple pages on your website. Now on the back end, they provide AI technology to help you run ads and generate leads faster than you normally would. They also have ARM tools integrated for things like automatic email response and review requests. They also offer professional invoicing and even offer to add an AI chatbot to your site. The next tool on our list today is called Pineapple AI Website Builder. They offer a free hosting solution for your website. To get started with this tool, just click on Get Started for free. Here you need to select a template for your website. I really like this template over here. Let's continue with this one. Now here you can choose your color palette and a couple more options about the website. On this next page, you need to enter your business details and select your target audience so that their AI can generate content for your website with perfect SEO optimization. Now you'll notice the AI generating the sections of your website step by step. Once everything is set, you will be able to see your final website. Now, like every other tool, you can customize everything you see on your screen. You can upload your own images and add or delete the sections you prefer. Now, after you are done editing, you can click the Publish button to take advantage of their free hosting plan. And just like that, your idea has been converted into a website and is ready to showcase itself to the world. Now, for the users looking to build a professional blog website, the next tool will blow your mind. 10Web is the best tool, in my opinion, if you're looking to generate professional-looking blogs or website with unique contents. You start by entering the type of business. Then go ahead and select the template for your website. Then you give your own company name, a short description, and then enter the features and services you provide. And boom, your job is done. This AI tool has just generated an amazing website for you. Now, in my opinion, it builds the best website and understands your requirements the best. Although the best part about 10Web is that they create a WordPress site that you can fully customize according to your needs. If you don't know what WordPress is, 43% of all the websites on the internet are built using WordPress. They also have some additional AI features built in, one of which is writing and optimizing your content for SEO. The other AI feature that they have is generating a website clone from just a URL. Just copy and paste the website URL you want to clone, and you are done. Let me know which of these tools was your favorite. This was Arthur, and see you in the next one.